Hi guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Metamask to your bank account. So if you're interested, make sure to stay up until the end of this video. And now let's start the tutorial. So the first thing you need to do is open your browser and then make sure that you have the Metamask extension on your browser. You can just download it by searching Metamask and download as extension. So first you need to make sure that you added the network that you will be using. And as you can see here, when you click send to, you need an address for you to withdraw your Metamask wallet balance. So the next thing you need to do is go to Bitso. So Bitso is also a cryptocurrency wallet, but in here you can use this Bitso to withdraw and transfer your funds to your bank account. So first, make sure that you create a Bitso account, and then I will show you how to use Bitso. So in here you can see all of the conversions of the cryptocurrencies, and when you go back to MetaMask, you can click send right, and it's looking for an address. So you can get that address by clicking deposit here. If you have enough balance on your Bitso, just click crypto and then look for the Ether, because it is Ether that we use on MetaMask, and then click that one. And as you can see here, something went wrong because I don't have any balance on my Bitso yet. But if you have one, it will lead you to a QR code and an address that you will need to copy here on the MetaMask. And you can now link your MetaMask wallet to your Bitso, and then you can withdraw by clicking send. And in here, you can withdraw your Bitso balance to your bank account. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please give our video a like, subscribe to our channel. See you on the next one.